Hi.
What's up?
Hey, how are
Hi.
you? Uh,
I'm good. How are you?
yes, I'm doing good. And what's up, you?
Huh?
Okay. Where do you come from?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, United States. Really, so beautiful country. Just a little bit ago, I just had a conversation with the United States people. I think you people are really so polite. I definitely are giving your valuable time with unexpectedly. You accepted my request. Really, I'm so appreciated for you.
Uh, yeah, no problem.
Yeah. So, what are you doing now?
I hear your chicken.
My mother has some of rooster, some chicken, hen, duck, baby. My mom is really so fond of look after the chicken or pet animals like chicken, rooster, just like this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. What are you doing now?
Oh, I'm smoking.
Yeah, people like to smoke. So me, I know. I look, my all of my friends just like to have a smoke in my country, but I can't take this. But I support it. It's your life. It's completely depend on how you will enjoy the life. So, what is the benefits or why do you smoke? Can you just explain a little bit? I'm really interested to know.
To relax.
Uh, just to be relaxed, you just have a smoke, right?
Yeah, but it's legal where I live. A lot of people smoke.
Yeah, but
Where are you
when
from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. And
My,
do you know Bangladesh?
huh?
Do you know Bangladesh?
No, but I've never been, but I know of it. I've seen it before and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Good. What is your profession? May I know, please?
I work in the medical field.
Yeah, that's really cool. And but I like your tattoo you made on tattoo on your hand.
Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, you're so beautiful.
Yeah. I was talking to one of my followers in the comments.
Oh, yeah. Okay, then you're a nurse. Smoking clumps mid channel for thinking so. No, it's completely depend on the person who take a smoke or who doesn't like a smoke. That's completely depend on them. Okay. Anyway, so I think it's deep night in United States, but you is still up.
Yeah, it's almost midnight here.
Yeah.
Hi,
Uh,
Callie boy.
But when do you go to sleep?
Well, it's I have off work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be up all night as long as I can stay up.
Mhm. Oh, it's okay.